Hey there, future Wall Street wizards. Are you ready to dive into the world of options trading? Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know, from what options trading is, to how it works, the strategies you can use, and yes, even the risks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what options trading is all about, and whether it's the right move for you. So stick around, and before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to learn, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making your money work for you. What is options trading? Alright, so let's start with the basics. What is options trading anyway? Well, imagine you have the option, see what I did there? To buy or sell something at a specific price in the future. That's essentially what an option is. It's a contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset, like a stock, at a set price before a specific date. There are two main types of options: call options, which give you the right to buy, and put options, which give you the right to sell. Think of it like reserving a ticket for a concert that might sell out. You're locking in your spot, but you're not required to actually attend the show. Getting it so far? If you do, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. How does options trading work? Now, let's dig a little deeper into how options trading actually works. Options trading can seem complex at first, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much clearer. Options contracts have a few key components you need to understand. These components are crucial for making informed trading decisions. First, there's the strike price. That's the price at which you have the right to buy or sell the stock. It's a predetermined price that plays a significant role in your trading strategy. Then, there's the expiration date, the deadline by which you have to decide whether to exercise your option or not. This date is critical because it determines the time frame for your potential profit or loss. When you buy an option, you pay a premium. That's the price of the option itself. This premium is essentially the cost of having the right, but not the obligation, to make a trade. Think of it as a down payment to reserve your right. This payment secures your position in the market. If the market moves in your favor, you could exercise the option and make a profit. This is the ideal scenario for any trader. If not, you can let the option expire and you'll only lose the premium you paid. It's a calculated risk that every trader must consider. Sounds like a game of chess, right? Just like in chess, every move in options trading requires strategic thinking and planning. It's all about anticipating the market moves. Successful traders are those who can predict market trends and act accordingly. And speaking of moves, if you're liking this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more strategies and tips. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of trading. Common options trading strategies. Alright, now let's talk strategies. Options trading can be complex, but understanding a few key strategies can make a big difference. There are a ton of ways to trade options, but here are a few of the most common ones that traders often use to maximize their returns and manage risk. Covered call. You own the underlying stock and sell a call option to earn income. This strategy is often used to generate additional income from stocks you already own. Great for when you're mildly bullish on the stock. It allows you to earn premium income while still holding onto your shares. Protective put. You buy a put option while holding the stock to protect against potential losses. This is like buying insurance for your stock portfolio. Think of it as insurance for your stock. It helps to limit your downside risk while allowing you to benefit from any upside potential. Straddle. You buy both a call and a put at the same strike price, expecting a big move in either direction. This strategy is useful when you anticipate significant volatility. Perfect if you think something big is about to happen, but you're not sure which way. It allows you to profit from large price movements regardless of the direction. Strangle. Similar to a straddle, but you buy the call and put at different strike prices. This can be a more cost-effective way to play volatility. Great for those who expect volatility without a strong directional bias. It provides flexibility and can be tailored to different market conditions. Which strategy do you think is the most interesting? Each has its own unique advantages and can be used in different market scenarios. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any experiences you've had with these strategies. So the big question, how do you make money with options trading? Leverage options allow you to control a larger number of shares with less capital than buying the shares outright. This means potentially higher returns. Flexibility. You can profit in various market conditions. Whether it's going up, down, or staying flat, there's usually an option strategy for that. Income generation. Selling options like covered calls can create additional income streams. You get to collect the premium up front, which can be especially useful in a sideways or slightly bullish market. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility and risk. If you're excited to start making money with options, hit the like button and share this video with a friend who's ready to learn. Alright, time for a reality check. Options trading isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks you need to be aware of. Risk of losing the premium. If the option expires worthless, you lose the premium paid. This is the most common risk for option buyers. Time decay. Options lose value as they get closer to the expiration date, known as time decay. If the market doesn't move quickly in your favor, the option's value can drop. Potential for unlimited losses. If you're selling options like naked calls, your losses can theoretically be unlimited if the market moves against you. So it's crucial to know what you're getting into and to use strategies that fit your risk tolerance. Don't gamble with money you can't afford to lose. If you found this part helpful, drop an emoji in the comments to let me know you're soaking up all this wisdom. Ready for some pro tips to boost your success in options trading? Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these tips can help you navigate the complexities of the market. Here we go. Start small. Don't go all in with your first trade. It's crucial to begin with a small amount and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. Begin with a small amount and get comfortable with how options work. This approach helps you understand the mechanics without risking too much capital. Do your homework. Study the strategies, watch the trends, and keep learning. The market is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making smart decisions. The more you know, the better your decisions. Knowledge is power, and in trading, it can be the difference between profit and loss. Manage your risk. Always have a plan to manage your risk. This includes setting clear stop-loss orders and profit targets. Use stop-loss orders, set profit targets, and never risk more than you're willing to lose. Risk management is essential to protect your investments. Stay calm and be patient. Options trading can be emotional. It's important to stay calm and not let emotions drive your decisions. Don't make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your strategy. Consistency and discipline are crucial for long-term success. Practice makes perfect. Use a paper trading account to practice without risking real money. This allows you to test different strategies and see what works best for you. It's a great way to test strategies in real market conditions. Practicing in a risk-free environment helps build confidence and refine your approach. If you're ready to start trading smarter, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos filled with trading tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you succeed. So, there you have it, a complete overview of options trading. What it is, how it works, the strategies, the potential profits, and the risks. Remember, options trading isn't for everyone, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be a powerful tool in your investing toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's curious about options trading, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, stay savvy, and keep learning. See you in the next one.